Hi, Mela.
Hello, teacher.
It's been a long time, Mela. How are you now?
Well,
Okay, that is good to know. Did you join the class on Friday, Mela? Did you join the class on Friday?
um,
No. Wait, let me translate it. Okay, for a moment. Did you join the class on Friday?
Bạn có tham gia lớp học hôm thứ Sáu không?
no,
Oh, no, you did not. Okay, thank you, Mela. Because I did not join the class either due to a sudden power outage in my area. Okay, so now let us have exercise 9, Bella, and in here it is your turn to answer these questions. Okay, talking about music. Can you play any musical instruments, Mela?
yeah,
What musical instrument can you play? What musical instrument can you play, Mela? Can you play the piano, the flute, the guitar?
I can play the piano.
Okay. How well can you play? How well can you play the piano, Mela? Are you good at it?
Also,
Okay. So now what types of music do you like? We've talked about the different types of music last time. What types of music do you like?
um, can you translate it?
Okay, Mela.
Bạn thích loại nhạc nào?
Okay, can you tell me what type of music do you like?
No, no,
Do you like rock music, pop music? Can you still remember the types of music, Mela?
I don't know.
You don't know? But probably pop
Yeah,
music, right? Pop music, because th- you like listening to popular ones, especially the ones that your idol um
yeah.
sang. Okay, next one now. What types of music don't you like, Mela? What type of music don't you like?
Mm,
What type of
I don't
music don't
know.
you like? You don't know? Do you like loud
Mm,
music,
I,
Mela? Do you like loud music?
mm,
Are you
also,
sleepy? Are you sleepy?
no,
No, you're
no,
not.
no.
Okay, so now let us see. Okay, so these are the types of music that we talked about last time, Mela. We have classical music, heavy metal, reggae, rock, jazz, pop music, and hip hop. Now we have more types, but we focused solely on these types of music. So I wonder why you have forgotten it already. Do you like music, Mela? Do you like music?
Mm, also, also,
What do you mean, also? What do you mean also, Mela? Do you mean you like it or you mean you don't like it?
Uh, have don't like and like.
Oh, okay. It's so-so. Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Mela. Now, let us proceed to lesson 57. Okay, so we have here, what sports do you like playing? Can you tell me about it, Mela? Is it badminton?
Yeah.
I see. Now, aside from badminton, what other sports can you play?
Only badminton.
Only badminton. Okay, Mela. What about football? Football is popular in Vietnam.
No.
Football is popular in Vietnam, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't like playing it. I see now. Can you tell me what sport is it, Mela?
Soccer.
Very good. Now, next one, what sport is it?
Basketball.
Do you play basketball?
No.
Have you tried playing basketball? Mela?
Um,
Have you tried it, Mela? Have you tried shooting the ball?
yeah.
Oh, yes, but you don't enjoy it. Okay, now next one, we also have this. What game is it? What game is it, Mela? Do you know this game?
No.
Okay, this is rugby. Okay, this is a rugby, and yes, of course, it is a team sport, Mela, played with an oval ball, as you can see right here, what the man is carrying in his hand. Okay, and the primary goal here is to carry, pass, or kick the ball into the opponent's territory to score points. Okay, so it's a little similar to playing football, a little similar, but not really similar. Okay, next one. What's she playing, Mila? What's she
Golf.
doing? This
Game.
is, what is this?
Golf.
Okay, this is golf. Okay, this is golf. Okay, next one. What about this? It's,
Is tennis or pickleball?
okay. Okay, yes, it is tennis. Do you play pickleball, Mila? Do you play pickleball?
No.
Oh no, you don't like it. I see. Next one now. What about this game? What game is it?
Uh, 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 baseball.
Okay, yes, that's right, Mila. It's a baseball. Next one.
Um,
What game is it?
I forgot.
Okay, this is what we call volleyball. Volleyball. Okay, volleyball, Mela. Do you play volleyball in Vietnam?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you do too. Okay, so now let us have these pictures, Mela, and I want you to tell me the name of these games or sports. Yes. Okay, can you tell me what's this? What's she doing?
Play golf.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Mela. What about them? What are they playing? What game is it, Mela? This is. We've talked about this just now, so I believe you can still remember it. This is. What do you think? It's.
Yes,
You forgot it? Okay, so let us have a quick review, Mela. Okay, so again, we have soccer, basketball, rugby, golf, tennis, baseball, and volleyball. Okay, so again, can you tell me what sport is this? What is it, Mela? This is.
basketball.
Okay, yes, very good. Next one. This is. What sport?
This soccer.
Okay, yes, it's soccer. What about this?
Tennis.
Okay, yes, it's tennis. What about this one? It is.
This is a baseball.
Okay, yes, very good. Mila, baseball. What about this?
Uh,
It's.
I forgot.
Rugby. Rugby, Mila, rugby. Okay, now the last one we have. It's. Don't tell me you forgot this one as well. It's.
I'll go.
Okay, yes, it's golf. Okay, now let us have exercise the vocabulary, Mela. Okay, we have on TV. Do you like watching TV, Mela? Do you like watching
Yes,
TV? Oh, yes, you do. What do you
yes.
watch on TV? What do you watch? Mela?
My husband,
Oh, your husband.
my
Okay, so you are
husband.
very supportive, a very supportive wife. Okay, now next one on the field. Do you know what a field means, Mela?
No,
Okay, so now let me translate it for you. Now, when we say on a field, it is a big space, Mela, wherein you can play games such as
Trên một
soccer.
cánh đồng.
Okay, soccer, rugby. Okay, that is field. Now, next one in a stadium. Do you know what a stadium is? What is a
um,
stadium?
in the, um, I don't know it.
Oh, you don't know it. Even in Vietnamese, Mela?
No,
Okay, that's fine. Now let me show you a picture of a stadium. This is how a stadium look like. Mela, see, it is an open field, but yeah, we have it. Chairs that you wherein you can watch the game live. Okay, just like in playing soccer. Okay, and sometimes, Mela, not only that, playing soccer, but it could also be a place wherein you can hold concerts. Okay, concerts. Okay, this is a stadium. Do you get it now?
Sân vận động.
Okay.
okay,
Next
okay.
one, Bella. What about gym? Gym. What is a gym?
Is I can say English.
Okay, so at least you know it. Okay, so we have a school gym. We also have the town gym. It is a place, of course, it is smaller, but still a place where you can do sports. Okay, now what about, I mean, you can do sports and as well as exercise. Okay, now what about online, Mela? Online.
Oh, it's online.
Okay, yes, just like what we're having right now, you're learning online using your computer and internet. Okay, now what about on a court? Court.
Oh, I
On a
don't know.
court. Hmm?
I don't know.
You don't know this one, okay? So now let me show you a picture of it. It is still a place, Mela, wherein you can play, like for example, no, not literally a court wherein you can defend yourself, but yes, just like in here, a basketball court, Mela, tennis court. These are certain places wherein you can play games. Okay, just like this one. This is a basketball court. Okay, a basketball court. We also have a tennis court, Mela. Yep. Oh, okay, yes. A pickleball court. Okay.
Trên sân.
Okay.
Okay, so now next one, Mela. Beach. Beach. What
Mm.
game can we play at the beach, Mela? What game can we play on the beach? Mela?
Uh,
What game can we play on the beach, Mela?
mm,
What game, what sport can we play on the beach? Mela? You still there,
yeah.
Mela?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me what sport can we play on the beach? What can we play on the beach? We can play. We can play what? Okay, we can play volleyball. Okay, we can play volleyball on the beach. Okay, of course. Now, next one on a golf course. Do you know golf course, Mela? Do you know golf course? Are you sleeping now?
No.
Okay, can you tell me what is a golf course?
Mm,
What is a golf
don't know it.
course?
I don't know it.
Oh, you don't know it. Okay. So we'll have a review about this one tomorrow, okay? Since you don't know most of the words, okay? So now this is a golf course, Mela. Of course, it is an open field wherein you can play what sport? Golf. Okay, this one, Mela, a very beautiful place wherein you can play golf. Okay, so that is it. So now we'll have the practice tomorrow. Mela, you can rest now. Thank you so much for your time and enjoy, Mela. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Yes, teacher.